Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to insert checkbox in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to insert checkbox in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to insert checkbox in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here we will go to insert and checkbox or checkbox. You can check or uncheck. Okay, false or true. Let's use it in a small conditional formatting. Okay, deleted, added rule. Okay, let's choose custom formula and press equal. Okay, P112 P112 is the place of the box. Okay, let's press shift F4 not to jump into any column. Make the color is orange. Okay, apply to range. Okay, C112 and press done. When I check the box, the next two cells will be colored like this. Okay, let's take this conditional formatting to all the tables and recopy the names not to be all Daniel. Okay, copy, paste, value only. That easy. Let's check. You can check with mouse or spacebar on the keyboard. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to insert checkbox in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.